Hello, I wanted to show you something I came up with. I've got a 6-year-old girl that is 50 inches tall. She just had her physical for school, and I think the average for a 6-year-old girl is 42 inches, so she's tall. One challenge that we had learning how to ride a bike was she needed training wheels. Well, a 20-inch bike with training wheels is really hard for her to pedal. So I wanted to get her a bike that had gears so that she could have a lower gear to pedal easier. Well, the problem is they don't make training wheels for bikes with gears because of the derailleur system. And I looked and looked and looked, and there's some options out there for a few $100, which I didn't necessarily want to spend. So fortunately I have access to a shop with a welder, and I came up with this setup. And basically it is a piece of 4-inch pipe. I think it's a 1/2-inch pipe from the hardware store, galvanized pipe. And then I got some nuts, axle nuts from a bike shop, because the threads on the axle are different. They're not like regular nut and bolt thread, it's a special thread. And I welded that nut onto the end of the piece of pipe. Then I got some flat stock. You can get this at hardware store, and I think there's 6 holes there. I cut 4 pieces of that, and then took one piece and welded it on the end of the piece of pipe, and then took another piece to give it some strength on the back side. And then attached the training wheel to the piece of flat stock with holes in it, and you can still adjust it. So far it's worked out really well for her. She's ridden the most that she's ridden since she started riding a bike, now that she can actually pedal it and enjoy it. So I just wanted to give you a snapshot of something that I put together.